Hi everyone, welcome to Rocko's Music Factory. Today, Baba and Yiayia need our help. Hi Baba, hi Yiayia.
Hello Andrew.
And hello everyone.
What can we do for you?
Well, we were supposed to enjoy a sunny day in the park together today, but then it started raining. Even though the weatherman on Channel 6 said it was supposed to be sunny, and the whole day was ruined. Who made him weatherman? How can you enjoy a sunny day in the park when there isn't any sun?
Okay, ladies, I'm sorry about all the rain, but it looks like you guys could use a little peace and joy. How about we see if Rocko has anything to help us out? Pardon me, Rocko.
Yes?
Hey there, Rocko. Baba and Yiayia here have had a less than fortunate day. Do you think that you and the team here at Rocko's Music Factory have a song that might help them out?
Well, I think they might need some peace and joy. Here we go.
Life gets kinda crazy. Things don't always go the way you plan. But let me tell you something you gotta understand. No matter what may happen, brother, there ain't nothing can destroy your hope in Jesus when your heart is full of peace and joy. I got peace, joy. I know God's on top of everything, so there's no point getting annoyed, 'cause I got joy, peace. I'm glad to tell you, come what may, my joy will never cease. Playing on the playground, a big old bully took my ball away, but I kept my cool and I looked at him and said, brother, it's okay, you can't throw off this groove, man. I'm grooving even when life gets demanding. Yeah, with God, I got the peace that passes all understanding. Got peace, joy. I know God's on top of everything, so there's no point getting annoyed, 'cause I got joy, peace. I'm glad to tell you, come what may, my joy will never cease. If you're wanting to be holy, even if you're not quite there, rejoice.
Let me say it again.
Rejoice, God is merciful, don't despair. He's given us repentance, prepared a place for us eternally. So when I'm down, I tell myself God's joy will be filled in me. I got peace, joy. I know God's on top of everything, so there's no point getting annoyed, 'cause I got joy, peace. I'm glad to tell you, come what may, my joy will never cease.
Wow, look at the rain.
It's actually kind of calming.
I'm glad we decided to stay in and play board games. I love board games.
Yes, what board games did you bring?
I thought you brought board games.
What?
Acquire a spirit of peace, and thousands around you will be saved.